Hello everybody, welcome in part 2 for my building my RC boat. I done the first test for the boat and I get some issue, but I make a small video for the test. I posted and so many people said it was a balance, but lots of them said but it's not gonna be a problem because my boat in this moment was not complete ready and did not have the bite. So I get just the problem that the boat is a little bit heavy from the back side, and this is not going to be a problem because in the front is complete empty, so there's no bite. And I plan to put around the 1 kilogram bite or a little bit less, so I hope that not so heavy from the front. And let's see the building video for the part 2, and I told you what I made from problems. So everybody, now this part, as you see, is done. I glue it with second glue, and now we can easily assemble it with this part here. We put this part from the top first, and then this one from the bottom, and it's done. So this is our control unit. So I did it as 3 parts. So this part will be from the top, and then here will be other control rod, and the other one is the short one, will be from the bottom side. Easily we put here inside, and then we clip it, we glue it. So take care when you make this glue, is the shortest way here, this part, the short way is from this side. So don't mix this and then you make the short way here from this side, and then you make the other one the long way from this side, and then you will have this rudder is in an angle, so it would be not so good. Then you have to take it out again, or you have to bend it there really hard. So at this point you have to take care. So both short side from inside. So everybody, now I glue both frames together, So you just have to be careful when you glue this out frame for the rudder with the main frame for the motor. You have to leave here around 7 milli, otherwise you will have a problem with turning the rudder. And now the rudder is done and the frame is almost ready. So the next step now will be the control arm for the both rudder together and fixing them with servo, and we almost done with the control part. So everybody, as we say now, our build, and as I said, you have to be careful when you mount this part, this out frame. Yeah, it's my first design, so I should design a little bit better, but it's work perfect. I built here in the front, I said it's the electron part, so I make it in two parts. So I've done here my place for the battery, and in the back side I make my transmitter here. So I made here my AC and my receiver. So this hatch for the electronic part in the back of the boat. The other thing, what you have to be careful if you build the same design, I used here 9-gram servo, and to build this, to mount the servo inside, you have to deassemble the servo complete and then you put inside, and after this will be no problem. It's really complete stable and is really past perfect, fit perfect in my design. So now this as well is my bite bay, so will be closed with the door here, and then will be coming the servos in the front and be almost ready to the first test. So thanks for watching, and if you have any ideas, any recommendation about my boat before I be done with it, please write in a comment. If you like it, share it, thumb up, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the third part.